Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
We reject Florida by fire, by thunder. We reject her.
You are a leader. With all my colleagues from the PDP in the Senate, and the minority leader in the House has also come with our colleagues in the House of Representatives. This letter will be presented immediately, right now, to the Senate President.
What was that for him?
I'm sure a copy will also be given to the Senate Chairman, Senator Gaya, the Chairman of INEC, and I can reassure you that justice will be done. Thank you very much. And I think we can go home and rest, and we'll be sure that we will do the needful. Thank you, and God bless Nigeria.
The lead blame for our country.
Yes.
And therefore, we have come for this peaceful protest that the National Assembly should reject her.
Yes.
It is important at this point that the country must know that in a crisis situation like this, on insecurity and economy, what we need from Mr. President is to conduct free and fair elections.
Election.
This woman is APC. This woman has joined APC. She is a card-carrying member of APC. And from Anocha local government, she will pollute the atmosphere at INEC. And she will rig election
Yes.
at INEC.
Yes.
We don't want this election to be manipulated.
Yes.
Even the one for Anambra and subsequent election that will come in 2023.
Yes, sir.
If this woman is there, she is a specialist in manipulation
Yes, sir.
and rigging of election.
Yes.
Very
And
correct.
so the National Assembly, the Senate, should reject her totally
Before she pollutes the country.
and make sure that we return the country into sanity.
Yes.
Thank you, and God bless you.
We say no to
What was that for chairman? What was that? What was that?
By the grace of God, on behalf of the leadership of our party, we present our protest letter to be delivered to the Senate President and the Chairman of INEC, the Senate Committee. Present it to you as our leader in the Senate. Thank you, Dr.
There is no internal party wrangling in any chapter of our party. Because the essence of politics is contestation for power. There could be instances of contestation in our respective chapters, but to declare a situation of crisis is totally wrong. And even as we speak, our National Working Committee is one. Wherever you go to in our state chapters, we have one united, indivisible executive committees. So it will be wrong and absolutely wrong for anybody to canvass a situation that there is crisis. There is no crisis in our party. As a party, we are going to retrieve every seat in which a member elected on the platform of the People's Democratic Party has decamped to any other party.
You can see that we are drenched.